Oh yeah, stay tuned for this build because we're going to have every challenge thrown at us possible, and then you'll see how to overcome it. So hope you enjoy the video. Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. As you guys noticed, we got a little bit of rain. We actually fared pretty well through the rain, and I'm going to show you guys what's going on. And get your Kleenex, sit down with your Kleenex, your little roll of toilet paper. You know, when you're doing these projects, we looked at the forecast and we had no rain in our forecast for a good solid 2 weeks. And we finished digging a lot of the hole out, and I didn't really take any film of that because I figured you guys were sick of seeing the dig, but we got a lot more of that hole closed out. All he had to do was come back this morning, and then this morning, I say Friday morning, you guys are seeing this on Sunday. He was going to come back in the morning, clean up a little bit of the sides, just kind of make sure the inside was good, and everything was going to be great. We were going to start doing the footings on Friday, and then hopefully have them poured Friday afternoon. And it's just not going as planned, guys. So the rain, we actually did really well. There was just a couple little puddles in the bottom of the pit. And then we also had a little bit more cave in on the side. One thing I think, you know, you guys, a lot of you are asking, like, why are you so close to the house? Why is it so close to the house? You know, in normal circumstance, it probably wouldn't be a big deal. Like the clay and everything, our soil, the sides hold up really well. And the other 3 sides are doing just great. But because we hand dug that cistern and I just disturbed that whole like 10 foot by 10 foot section of dirt, and then we came in, you know, with the trencher when we were doing the gravity fed water system. I'll leave a link right there for that whole series if you want to check that out. Then, you know, that created like a line, so to speak. So when we started disrupting the soil in the front, you know, it just started kind of breaking away because it really hasn't had the time to the cats. It really hasn't had the time to compact and become solid again. So we were willing to accept that as a loss, right? So like that's breaking, so that broke some more, and then now the whole water pipe was exposed. And let's go see what's going on now. When I woke up this morning and I looked out here, I saw the deck was kind of wet, and I thought, holy smokes, man, it must have rained more overnight, because like I said, when we finished the rain, everything was in pretty good shape. It was a couple little dabby puddles in here, but it was nothing like, you know, like this. So I called on the phone and I'm like, yeah guys, it might be a little too wet, you know, to come out. And you know, they were like, yeah, that's fine or whatever. Then I hung up the phone and I came back outside, and I just started thinking to myself, I was just like, man, that's a lot of water. Like this whole floor is covered with water. Like I'm walking in it right now, and it's probably, I don't know, it's probably a good foot deep. So from up there, I kind of got it's really muddy in here too. So I kind of got a better look at the pipe, and I saw water kind of dripping off right there at the pipe. So then I knew, man, I was totally in spaz mode. I ran up to the tanks. I should have turned them off. You know, we roped that off. I thought that would be plenty good. So there's a big mistake right there. So now we don't have any water in our cisterns. Our cisterns totally emptied into this hole. I'm sharing this with you guys. I mean, I could have not did any part of the video about this, and everything would have been just great, and we would have been stacking and putting in foundations and footings, and you would have been knowing nothing. But I want to share with you guys, you know, things can really turn in a second on you. Ugh, man, your feet really get stuck down in that stuff. Now there's the hole, and it looks like definitely that the water is coming out of that area. So right past there, right up in there somewhere, I have a joint that has been pulled out. So now I'm gonna have to dig back, find that, and get that fixed. So like I said, PVC is pretty forgiving. It's not really gonna be a crack, I don't think. No, it's not gonna be a crack. Yeah, I ran back up as soon as I As soon as I saw that, and I ran into the house and turned the faucet on, and I got nothing. And then I knew for sure. There's a good bit of water in here, probably over a foot deep. So we'll get it all pumped out, see what it looks like.
Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
I mean, that's working, but it ain't really working. The whole idea is to get this water out of this hole as soon as possible. So I'm going to step B. I'm pulling out the 2-inch pipe, trash pump. Went down and rented it from my local store. Now we'll move some water. All right, now we're talking. Now I can get that water out of there at breakneck speed. Man, that was killing me. Now it's up past my calf muscle, so it's pretty good amount of water in here. Now all the water is pumped out. Live and learn. So what do, right? You just got to roll with the punches. Some things happen along the way and you just do the best that you can. You know, hindsight, you know, you can look back at stuff, and you guys are watching this video and you're like typing away in the comment section and telling me what a big mistake it was or whatever you say down there. But just remember, you know, life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. So nothing you can do about it, totally out of control, you know, after it's done. So I just got the pump, I got everything out. I'm gonna let this go for a couple days. We'll be back at this on Tuesday. I got some more Baker Creek videos for you guys. If you guys didn't watch the herb video, my last video that we put up, go watch that video. All the comments were super positive. Everyone loved it. I don't know if YouTube sent out the notifications or whatnot. Not many people watched that video, and it was a really good video about herbs. Guys could watch it, gals could watch it, lots of good nuggets in there. So right now I'll leave a card at the end of this video, or you can just go to our page and watch that herb video. We'd appreciate it. Don't forget, we're going to be at the Homesteading Life Conference August 12th and 13th. If you haven't gotten your tickets and you're looking for something to do, it's in the air conditioning for you guys, and it's in Hannibal, Missouri, a really cute, quaint town, lots of stuff to do. The link is down below in the comment section. It's the #1 comment. I pinned it to every video, so it's the very top comment. Hit the website address, and then that'll take you to the website, and then you'll have more information there about the speakers. We got a great lineup of speakers, a lot of hands-on classes. If you're a vendor and you're looking for something to do August 12th and 13th, send me an email at offgridwithdougandstacy@gmail.com, and then we can get you guys set up to be a vendor there. A lot of things are going on. If you've already signed up to be a vendor, I'll be sending out some notifications to you guys pretty soon about it, about what time you should get there and set up and everything, and then answer any other questions that you guys might have. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. We're going to get this thing going. This is just a minor setback, and this thing is going to turn out phenomenal, okay? This is going to be a great root cellar build. It's going to be a tornado storm shelter. It's just going to be an all-around super addition. Remember, what we always talk about on our channel is when you guys do something at your property, make sure it has multiple uses. That's exactly what this building's going to do. As always, you can get our t-shirts if you want to support what we're doing here on YouTube. Hopefully you guys got some nuggets out of this one, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.